Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change country in Google Play Store. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Play Store app right here, and once we open our Play Store app, the next thing we need to do is to click your profile section on the top right corner of the screen. And after that click payment and subscriptions, and after that, click payment methods. After clicking, scroll down until you see more payment settings. Click it and you will be redirected to a website. After that, click the 3 horizontal line on the top right corner. Click settings and after that click country/region. Create new profile and click continue. Choose your desired country and then after that click continue. After that, you are now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.